February 2024. We're in Flintshire on the River Dee path going towards Cunners Quay, shared use cycle path going all the way up there to Shotton Steelworks and on to Cunners Quay, and then Route 5 up to Holyhead. Works perfectly well as a path except for these barriers. Barriers at the end as well, similar to this, Sheffield loop type ones. Council now are going to get rid of them and put gates, because people have been riding motorbikes up and down here and a few of the doggers have got scared. Instead of police taking action, putting cameras up, nothing. Remove the barriers, put gates, inconvenience cyclists, mobility scooter users and the disabled. So we've got a set of barriers here that are going, replaced by gates. Kissing gate there, they've never seen anyone use. A-frame barrier here. Loop barriers there, same on the other side. A-frame barriers here, very narrow. Line bend here. Another set of barriers. Then it's open all the way down to Chester. Cheshire's further on, or Chester West now, and they're not bothered with barriers. Thanks for watching. Bye.